Gratitude, schmatitude. I'll settle for those sheepskins, Buster.
Buckets of rain and thunder. What churl doth knock at me castle door?
I, Snagglepuss the Lion-Hearted, am the churl who doth knock. Pound even. Open in the name of King Arthur and the Knights of the Round Table. Hast I the stormy knight's sword? Heavens to Murgatroyd, what dost thou think this is? A shish kebab? A poultry piddlin' pittance, of pistol practice even. 'Twas a pleasure, a pleasure.
I want to ask you something.
I'm flattered. Shrove Tuesday, Snide Saturday, Meatless Monday maybe, every other Thursday. What again? Heavens to Murgatroyd! How many times were you born? You must have a strong union.